I'm Matt Stabenau, and today we'll be learning about the Tollens Test. Tollens Test is used in organic chemistry to find out if your hydrocarbon has an aldehyde group. If there's an aldehyde present, the reaction will result in a silver mirror on the bottom of your container, which we'll be using to make a very festive Christmas ornament. This will be nice and silver when we're done. So to begin, the reaction starts with mixing AgNO3 silver nitrate with aqueous ammonia, NH4OH, to create Tollens reagent, which contains the complex ion diamine silver. You then mix the diamine silver with potassium hydroxide because the reaction only occurs in a basic environment because potassium hydroxide is a base. Finally, you mix in dextrose, which is a sugar that contains an aldehyde. The reaction looks something like this. You have your diamine silver, your aldehyde, and your 3 hydroxide anions from your KOH. That results in the silver +1 being reduced down to speckled metallic silver. You have your aldehyde gets oxidized to carboxylic acid salt because it occurs within a basic solution, and you also get 2 waters left over. So that's the overall reaction that's happening. Now I'm going to demonstrate it. We have our ornament. Going to mix our AgNO3 silver nitrate into the ornament. Next we add our ammonia hydroxide, aqueous ammonia. Forms a nice precipitate. We don't want that though, so we add a little more. Add until that goes away. The ammonia has a very pungent odor. Next we add our KOH, potassium hydroxide, to the mix. And finally, our dextrose, our aldehydic sugar. Now the reaction begins. I have to just shake the ornament. It will take a while, reaction. All right, so after we're done, we will have a very nice silver coating on the inside of our ornament. It's very nice. It's very nice. It's all because of the Tollens test and our positive metallic silver. All right, thank you for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed learning about the Tollens test.